Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by clarifying what the assignment expects and collecting reliable sources. This prevents last-minute shortcuts. Once done, draft a clear thesis and outline 3 main points so the AI supports rather than replaces you. Make sure to note citation style, word count, and any instructor rules. Use AI for brainstorming prompts and for rephrasing sentences you already wrote. This keeps authorship honest. Pause frequently to compare AI suggestions with your notes and keep control of your argument. Next, use targeted prompts that reference your thesis and outline so the AI generates useful drafts rather than generic content. Once it produces text, ask for topic sentences, concrete examples, and a counterargument to strengthen your logic. Make sure to rewrite AI passages in your voice and integrate personal insights. This is why editing matters. Use the AI to identify weak transitions or gaps, then close them yourself. Keep source notes visible so you can attribute ideas correctly as you refine. Finally, revise thoroughly to ensure the essay reflects your reasoning and style. Combine sentences, shorten passages, and emphasize original analysis. Make sure every fact from sources has a proper citation and assemble a bibliography in the required format. Once polished, run grammar and similarity checks to catch inadvertent overlaps. If an instructor raises concerns, explain your process, share drafts, and show how you used AI as a tool rather than a substitute. Consulting them prevents misunderstandings and resolves issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.